We used to teach our kids to fear God. Now we hand them phones and hope for the best. What happened? Is God still the center of how we raise our children, or have we quietly replaced Him? There was a time when the Bible was the first book a child ever opened. When bedtime and prayer, not Netflix. When discipline was rooted in God's Word, not just popular psychology. But today, we've replaced the book of life with social media algorithms. We've traded memory verses for screen time. And slowly, without even noticing, God stopped being the center. We're raising a generation with full access to technology, but no access to truth. They know how to scroll, but they don't know how to seek. They can quote TikTok trends, but not John 3:16. And it's not their fault, it's ours. Parents, let me ask you, is God still the anchor of your home? Is Christ the foundation, or just a Sunday guest? Do your children see you pray, or only panic? Do they see a walk with God, or just rules with no love? It's time to get back to the basics. Teach your children the fear of the Lord. Show them the power of prayer. Model the fruit of the Spirit, because one day you won't be there to guide them. But if Christ is in them, they'll never be lost. If this message stirred something in your heart, don't ignore it. Let today be the day you say, "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." Joshua 24 verse 15. Like, if you believe we need to bring God back to the center of our homes, comment below. What's one way you keep God at the center of your parenting? Let's fill the comments with encouragement and revival. Come back for more truth-filled content to equip you as a parent, believer, and leader in your home. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Proverbs 22 verse 6. Thank you for watching, and may God help you raise your children to fear and serve Him.